beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sky.Onjahnae if you're new here. And on this channel we talk about all things beauty and a little bit of lifestyle. Listen, this video is for you. If y'all like me and y'all run on CP time. CP time, y'all know what I'm talking about. You sometimes try to rush to get your makeup done because you also procrastinate and all of that good jazz. So this video is for you. We about to get this makeup together in 10 minutes. I'm gonna have a timer up as well because I'm not trying to be a liar, okay? I want y'all to see that you can get your full beat and out the house in 10 minutes. Well, okay, not in 10 minutes because clearly you have to, shower, get yourself together and all that. But as far as the face, 10 minutes and you can move on to the next. So yeah, let's get right into it. Oh, wait, I just almost sent y'all off. This does not include prep and prime.
What?
This is literally application only, okay? So all that other stuff needs to be taken care of before you start actually applying stuff to your face. Okay, so my brows are actually micro shaded, but for the sake of the video, I will do like a simple brow just because, everyone's brows aren't micro shaded, and I understand that. So yeah, I just took some hair glue. No, homegirl, you did not. You took some lash glue because I don't have any more of my Anastasia freeze brows, so we just got to do what it do. And even though my brows are micro shaded, they are fading, so that's why I do sometimes go ahead and fill them in, especially like on days where I know I'm not gonna, days where I know I have to, wear my makeup for a long time. Like today, I was going out with my boyfriend's grandma. We went out to eat. So I needed to make sure these bad boys was late, okay? So they can last all day. And so for my brows, I use Benefit Cosmetics, their brow pomade. I've tried all types of brow products. I've tried pencils, and I've even tried those little stencil things and shadow and powders and stuff. Nothing does the job like a brow pomade, okay? If y'all seen my video about how makeup changed my life, when I started using my brows, I was using a black eyeliner. It wasn't until when I got to the MAC store, shout out to Ava Doll on Instagram, who gave me the tea on the brows, okay? She introduced me to brow pomade by MAC, and ever since then, if there's nothing I could do, I can slay some brows. So shout out to you, girl. So if you watched my makeup tutorials in the past, which if you haven't, what you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that after you watch this video. But anyway, I use a wider, flatter, larger brush to conceal my brows because I usually do eyeshadow. But today, for the sake of 10 minutes to get ready, I'm going to take just a regular flat, straight flat brush and cut my brows with that because less product, and I can just blend that out real quick with my fender bender with my finger, and we'll keep it pushing because y'all see the clock. Time is winding down and I'm still on brows. But don't you fret. I said we're getting it done in 10 minutes, and 10 minutes is what we're going to do. Like, this is my life, y'all, not a TikTok trend. I literally am like this. I don't know why I'm like this. CP time. I like to chill and wait until the last minute to do anything, even going to the bathroom, okay? My kidneys are probably going to be shit when I'm older. And because it's the natural look I am going to use my foundation I'm going to mix the foundation and the concealer just to darken the concealer up so that I can carve out the top of my brows, because the thing of having highlighter brows is so, when was that? 2014? 2015? We're over that phase in life. We need natural looking brows, okay? Okay, so blending out with your finger, and yeah, we just go blend that boy out. Your fingers, if you didn't know, are great for makeup brushes. Not great for makeup brushes. They work as well as makeup brushes. I used to blend out my foundation before I tried it with the beauty blender. I used to blend it out with my hands. So that's a food for thought. You don't have to buy the expensive makeup brushes, especially if you're not trying to be a makeup artist. You just want to do some stuff, a little razzle dazzle on yourself. Girl, you better get it busting with your fingers. I don't know what I was listening to, but we lit. So because we're pressed for time, I'm not going to apply as much concealer. Oh gosh. And I literally cannot let it dry down as much. What I sometimes do, which I don't know, because I don't know, maybe the pressure from trying to film this video, I usually apply my concealer and then my foundation. That way it gives my concealer time to dry. But you know, sometimes when you under pressure, you forget things, and I forgot to do the steps in reverse. So here we are, but we gonna make it work, and I know what I'm doing, so it's just gonna blend out beautifully regardless if I let it dry or not. Alright, so another thing that I am doing differently, I usually just set and then bake. We don't have time for baking, okay? Like I said, 10 minutes and we got 4:15 on the clock. So time is winding down. But I am going to set my entire face with the One Size Beauty translucent powder, and that's just going to help eliminate some of that shine, help set that makeup in. And I did not conceal, I did not use concealer for my contour because time. At this point, you should know we're pressed for time, so things have to be cut out, things have to be changed, and so we can get things done in a timely fashion. So instead of using concealer for my contour and then setting that and then adding bronzer and all the other stuff, we are just going to add bronzer. So because we didn't put any concealer, any liquid there, we can just go straight in, apply that bronzer, bring some warmth back to our face. Got me looking like I look crazy without that warmth. So we're gonna bring that warmth back with some of that bronzer, and that is from Juvia's Place. It's their it's their bronze bronze. All right, at this point, if you've been watching, you know these voiceovers be having me all tongue tied. So you know what I'm trying to say. Bronze bronzer palette. There we go. See, we're already starting to look more chiseled and more, our face is becoming more warmth, and we just look snatched as we should be. And with only 2 minutes and 45 seconds on the clock, your girl is making great time. I feel like it's more pressure because I have a timer with me, well, sitting there watching, and I'm trying to make sure that the video is right. So yeah. But anyway, let's add some eyeliner to bring some life back to my eyes because they look a little, you know, unalive. Because I don't know if I can say the D word. So they look a little unalive. So I'm gonna bring some life back to them, and then we just go snatch this nose a little bit because I neglected to do that when I did apply my bronzer. So we just gonna have to go back. You know, no one said every step it's all gonna be cohesive. You know, when you're working under pressure and you got time limits, you just try to do what you can with that time, and you forget stuff. This is truly the best and easiest way to apply your lashes perfectly every single time. You apply your lash glue like it's eyeliner, and then once you go to put that lash down on it, it's just going to adhere to wherever you put the lash glue, instead of, doing it the opposite way where you put the lash glue on the actual strip lash. Then you have to make sure it's placed properly on your lid. Sometimes that could be a mess, especially if you're not as skilled in putting on lashes. So that's just a little tip that will help you when you're putting on your lashes. These are from Beat Like BB. They're the style Luscious, and honestly, I am so in love with these. I think these are my favorite so far. If you don't know, I did do a lash haul on this brand. You go ahead, definitely check that out after this video though. Like, don't mess up your time with this video trying to go see these lashes, because you see we only got 30 seconds left, so you might as well wait and then you can go back and watch that video. I don't know if y'all like on the edge of y'all seat as y'all watch this, as I am doing the voiceover. But yeah, we finally made it to setting spray. I didn't do my lips until afterwards, because at first I was gonna put on gloss, but then I was like, wait a minute, I'm going out to eat, so maybe I should put on a lipstick. And matter of fact, maybe I'm gonna put on a matte lipstick like Ruby Woo, and we gonna be good for the rest of the day. And boom, just like that, we are done. We got this done in 10 minutes. Tell y'all, this is not just a TikTok trend. This is literally my life. Okay, so I look good. Like, I'm looking at myself. It's full coverage. It's beat, and this red lip is giving grown. Okay, so thank you all so much if you made it all the way to the end of this video. Hope you really enjoyed it. I hope that you actually try this yourself and see if it actually works out for you, if you can get it done within the 10 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've been here and this is like what, your second or third video. You might as well go ahead, subscribe and support now, because now we're here. Like, we're besties. So I'll see y'all in my next video.